Hi, here at H.Mitchell Car Sales, we're very pleased to be able to offer for sale this 2019 Hyundai i10 1.2 Premium. This car's finished in polar white. It's got the LED daytime driving lights, front fog lights, body coloured door mirrors with side repeaters, rear privacy glass, 14-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, front near side, inside the car you've got the charcoal grey cloth upholstery with patterned centre panels and light grey stitching. Rear passenger area, so in the rear of the car you've got room for 3 passengers. ISOFIX fixing points for the baby seat. Electric rear window openings. Near side rear alloy wheel. Moving around to the back of the car now. So inside the rear load area you've got the 60-40 split rear seat. This car is also fitted with the extra, which is the boot protector, and it's also got the space saver spare wheel. Moving round to the driver's side of the car. Driver's side rear alloy wheel. Inside the car on the driver's door you've got the controls for the electric windows all around, electric mirror adjustment, inside the car you've got the USB and auxiliary port, 12-volt plug-in for accessories, heater controls with manual air conditioning, and you've got the touchscreen media system. So on there you've got Bluetooth connectivity, so as you can connect your phone and play music from an external device. On the radio you've got AM, FM and DAB radio station selection. Controls on the steering wheel for answering and rejecting phone calls. Controls for the station selection and volume control. You've also got voice control if your phone's compatible. On the other side you've got cruise control and speed limiter. This car's done 23,826 miles. Identification plate that tells it's the Hyundai i10 Premium. Back outside the car again. Driver's side front alloy wheel. Okay, I hope you find this video informative. Any further questions regarding this car, please contact us by phoning 01924 411 323 or send an email to mail@hmitchellcarsales.co.uk. Thank you for watching. We look forward to your inquiry. Bye.